BCA Bachelors of Computer Application is an undergraduate degree course in computer applications. With the rapid growth of IT industry in India, the demand of computer professional is increasing day by day. The duration of the course is 3 years. If you want deep knowledge in this field, then you can go for the advanced courses such as MCA and PhD. MCA, which is a master course in computer application and is considered equivalent to the engineering course BTech. Self-employment option is also available. You can do freelancing or develop your own software. There are many software MNCs which provide jobs to the BC graduates. The demand of IT professional is increasing not only in India but also in abroad. After the completion of the course, student can find a job in reputed IT companies like IBM, Oracle, Infosys, Google, etc. The student can work as a system engineer, junior programmer, web developer, or as a system administrator. This field provides you ample opportunities to make your career not only in private sector but also in public sector. The government organizations like NIC, Indian Army, Indian Air Force, Indian Navy also recruit large number of computer professionals for their IT department. You can also work with the government IT companies like BHEL, NSTL, MTNL, BSNL, whereas you can also apply for the specialist officer for IT post in banking sector through IBPS, PO, SO exams. For more information, you can contact us. Thank you so much.